basketball on TikTok live. After, then I go swim. All those who could remember on TikTok, you guys know. I was playing my basketball. After that, I finished. I go swim. So I did swim. When my security can call me, so some plenty police people, they breach the main gate where they enter inside. I say, like, how do you enter the estate? So no, they force them away and enter the estate. I say, they force them away like how? Like, what's up? So they did your house in front plenty. So that day with my manager. Well, so make you go check. Say, go check. He say, also, like, plenty police car there your house in front. I say, we did the old guns and so I say, and this happened on the 8th of May. I said, they hold guns like what? Okay. But ask them anything. Say, no, you just see them that way we then come. We did call them we say they come. Because, you know, being house. That's okay. So I just get out from the pool. I did walk close to the gate. As I walk close to the gate, now the first thing I hear be crack. Well, I say, what be that? What nonsense be that? Who the clock gun for there? No? What life be that? Where they say, oh no, Shatta, oh heavy wheel. I say, no, the gun in the clock, what be the meaning of that? What is the clocking of the gun for? Like what if they say you even say, come Shatta Wale house, Shatta Wale be criminal. What is the clocking of the gun for? They say, oh no, they beg me back. I say, where they from? Where they come? Did they get it? Where they see they from Eoco? I say, so if they come my house, they know, like, they know if you just, I know be somebody where I did lost for, I go feel lost for anywhere for Ghana. So they know if you just at least call or maybe email or find my management, but you can't park in front of my house like they can't catch armed robbers. Bro, as at now, I know they feel sleep. As at now, I know they feel sleep. Because the trauma for my head inside was too much for me. Which gun clocking be this? Like, as at now, I know they feel, my head know they feel. And I they talk to my security team. Did they try get that camera surveillance for me? And I will post it on social media. For people to ask yourself, like, okay, cool, if Shatta Wale, some problem come, if they can't clock gun from a house in front. And you see whatever they talk, I swear if you take past Bible, where somebody said they like, they will call Kumasi, I go one twa. And I'm twa. They go Kumasi and go to Antwa. I said, what kind of nonsense? Why? If something at the camp, you say Shatta, they come, they clock gun. You clock gun. I said, what be the problem? Where they say, oh, and some problem like that, where they won't come, just ask me a few questions. I say, they get warrants, where they show me them warrants. I say, make they open them. So as they come inside, where one of them, they tell me, say, oh, if you not appear in times, you will know me. And so I say, no, but if you know me, where they come my house, as you come and appear in time, then appear give me some sonata. As appear problem come, they come where they say, oh, some sonata. I say, oh, make you take appear, you give me the sonata. I know they lie. So you, the guy, they explain to me, I tell you, so no. But as they come and appear, the time they come see me, I do you bogey. So what be this clocking gun? We say, beg me, you make you just forget them. So maybe they come inside, go sit down. So we sat down. And they were like, oh, it not be anything bad, but they here because of one Eduboahin. What's it? They here because of Eduboahin, like, what's up? What be the problem? So in case they say he give me some X560. This is what he said. Hey, Charlie, Shatta Wale. Charlie, if you chop Shatta Wale matter, you get matter. They said X550, and Nana Eduboahin say he has given me X550, a Land Cruiser, and a Lamborghini, and some car like that. I say, but as they come the house inside, they see all the cars they record, they see them for the house. They say, oh no, but they see the Lamborghini. They was, why be, they do why be only in way get Lamborghini for Ghana. But which kind of problem? Why? They are somebody if you enter the office and just can't tell them anything. Because this thing they come, they tell me, they know they make sense. I said, okay, cool. But what if I show them the documents of all my cars? Because most of my fans, the love they have for me. So right now, if I even won't go see girl, I know this because if they know my number plate. Before I realize I chop girl for some. Before I realize Wale, they give me fans for the Wale. Maybe I go steal something small for some girl, you know, chop myself and say, where my fans they give me fast. So I know they put, if I buy car, I have my documents. Anytime I want, I would register it. It's my car. So I ask them, say, if I give them the papers, they go leave the matter. Because I know, me, this politics, you know, the president in question even is my lovely dad. You know, I don't want to do anything online for it to look like someone. So I beg them. I don't like this. They attach Shatta. I don't like this at all. So I beg them. I don't have anything I do with the Dubai. Me, I know they do business. I know be security person for Dubai. I know they do anything. I be musician. So I beg them. If I bring the papers. So I took the Lamborghini papers, my Rolls Royce documents, and other documents. And they said, oh, the Lamborghini part, they won't just check. Was okay. But as they come, Dubai give them paper. But me, I'm speaking English, but sometimes I'll mix it with the tree too. But I want the international world to hear what I'm saying, so I'll put pidgin to it and let them know this is African. I asked them, did they do mind give people document? They say, oh, no, but you know, say the investigation they do. So I was so cool. So this is the Lambo papers, documents. We are buy car. Wait, they give me. Hey, Jesus Christ. God, when will you open the heavens and let people know I'm your son? Hey, Shakawali, you speak too much. You speak too much. So they check the paper. As they check, they say, okay, did they come? Then them out one boss be there outside the gate in one of the cars, plenty cars they come park for the gate. So they say did they come? So they go take show the boss. I didn't know when the guy come and say, oh, and in boss said they for move the car. Make we go the office there. What's oh, Anwa. As a day, if you see how they calm down for you people, but which can pressure people one can give this people this even like this? Like what pressure be this? Well, you say, oh, man, boss, so if I go go see him. So I go the car in, but what's so Chama? Suppose say you won't see my document. And your team say if they see my document, they go leave this matter for me because then they can't see for them my eyes, so the car. It no be sorry. The car, it no be a Dubai car. I prove my papers. What be you want to take the car go office? No, I won't understand. Like we say now we have to take. You know Ghana when they have power, Charlie. If they talk to you like you be toilet. No, but we have to take the car to the last day instruction that we have been given that we have to come and take the car. And as a chairman, this be Shatta Wali. I no be criminal. What investigation way they do one way they can't spoil my beautiful collection where I get for us sometimes I decide to give motivation to do more music for the fans. Like what and this were my statements. And I was like, no, we have to take the car to the I don't know, to take the car there you go hard. Because you know, I'm just being respectful, but you know, to take the car for here, because as you posted park for the gates, but that day somebody work for the estate. If the security for Chosako, we saved me. Nobody even take video around. It was just my camera that was working. So my camera, when they face the gate, I will let my security team get the surveillance of everything. So I did it. While they watched it, I said, sorry, but this man, what did he talk? So I can't see my manager was, So he said they come. So he rolled in glass. So I said he talked to somebody for phone top. He talked to somebody. Where is it? Shatta. So we have to, you know, take the car to the station because it's, you know, it's under investigation. I said, Charlie, the National Bureau myself, the money said the concept, but man, I don't even hear. Charlie. But what kind of pressure be this? But man, I feel bad. But you see Shatta Wali, he had the talk May, June, July, August, the Trinity. Me had to wait for 3. Me had to wait for 3. God the Father, God the Son. But now you see my symbol of hope. That is what is going to save all of us in this life. Whether you believe in God or you don't believe in God, I they tell you, you for believe in God. I don't know anybody. I didn't get any vehicle from the so-called Nana Kwabna Amwa. I am a third party to that Lamborghini car. Make people get that thing in front of my head inside. The game where you put the play, you write letter, and I don't know where the letter from. They don't go write it Eoco, but it be how you want to spread the matter, make the matter look like Shatta Wali, they in trouble. You can never. Because on God, I did tell you, I did not get a vehicle from that so-called Nana Amwa or Nana Kwame something. No. It not being inside the car for me. So don't come and give me case. You came to my house because of a Dubois. Now, you change the whole matter, make it go look like right now because you know if you use a Dubois and get the car no. Right now, be from some Nanamwa. Remote, I can't tell me from house. The team where they say you come out, can't tell me about any Nanamwa. Don't lie to the people. Listen, Remonacha told me in his office that the car they shoot somebody for inside, but I know that was I don't know. And bro, that is what scared me. I was like, Yawa, if you say they shoot somebody for the car inside, I beg. I don't want to make cause they shoot somebody for the car inside for America. I say, do I know that they shot somebody in the car in America before they brought the car to Ghana? Also, Yawa, that one I don't know. If this thing they talk, then I beg. If this matter they talk no, then I beg. Then let me just leave you to do your investigation because me I don't want any criminal thing around. Chairman, this one they help me. That is how come. I didn't even drive the car there. I called my drivers, one of my drivers, to drive the car there. So I tell him, say, I want help and make you doing this investigation because me have to say if you do one matter, we hear me they talk. But if you do one matter, we hear me they talk. I beg him, I know they inside. But you see the shooting. That's what Ramonacha you tell me for your office. That's why I hold the Bible. That's why I hold the Bible. Tagore did there, Ramonacha. Tagore did there. This is not the talk. My godfather Tagore did there. He tell me for your office say they shoot somebody for the car inside. That be when I surrender. That be when I say, hey, they shoot somebody for the no. Me no find problem. But there, where I can't know say, he say my the documents, the Lambo in document stop. No. Some guy did a Nana. I say, Chama, I don't know the person. The cars more they buy. The people say where did they ship? And not be them that they can't sell for me. I don't know the person. So that one day I don't know. He say, okay, fine. They make sure say I will go show them. Listen, another thing. I'll go show them where. With the rent one a cars for if I go show. What's that one? Me I know the rent car. If my team wait for they go someplace, did they free rent some few SUVs for some companies? So that one they will go show them. So I even assisted them to go and see some rental because they say they won't just make sure say like they do why not they give me cars. I say yes. So they go verify the matter. After that one, as they go check if them are IIed one, some name like that. Where you say, oh, they go check everything, but if anything they will give me free. But that be all. So I even help to show you where we rent our cars. I do wrong here. From my house, you come take car, everything. You never spoke about any nanamwa or something. Why do you want to spread lies into the brains of the people? That's like that nanamwa where you can sell the car for me. So that's why people investigate the thing. Oh, I mean, I'll be smart boy. I'll not be bad boy. Maybe you boy dey your office sometimes. Then sometimes one of you just make mistake. See, Shatta Wale be disrespectful. I am never disrespectful. I am just real to the things we are the talk of. I don't know anybody. I don't know any kwabna anybody. I be third party to the car. The guy said, they know they Ghana way in car. They say the information they get say in car can catch Ghana. That guy then they say they arrest him long time. The car is third party. They say they sell for somebody way. The person say like we sell for somebody. That person say they get some issue of your house, so he want the money, so maybe they sell for him. So it be me. Yeah, be the third person who I use that Lamborghini for this country. Come and write press statement like me and somebody they do. Go now one guy, no maybe they ask and say, you know me, Anna. I don't know who they talk about. But you want to change the whole narrative. Ramonacha, if you say you want to do Shatta Wale. He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadows of the Almighty. He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadows of the Almighty. He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadows of the Almighty.